Hello guys. I'm going to be filming a video about how to colonize the entire universe. This video is heavily based off of Kirk's and also another YouTube channel called Rational Animations. That's what it's called. Check out both those channels. They're really cool if you like science. So yeah, let's get into it. I wasn't originally gonna give you guys a red ball video with it, but YouTube said I need to verify my account, which I'm not gonna do because I don't think I can. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So first up, you need to you kind of just need to wait. Yeah, you just need to wait a lot. Yeah. So basically, you just need to actually get energy to make probes that expand and across the entire universe. Yeah, that's basically it in a nutshell. But the actual long way to do it is basically you need to make a Dyson sphere to actually get enough energy to make anything you're gonna be hearing in this video, which you possibly cannot do until the future. Then yeah, you can do it. So you just have to wait for this video to actually become real. Oh, so yeah, first you gotta make a Dyson sphere. You gotta take apart all of Mercury to get enough of materials to actually make a Dyson sphere. And the way a Dyson sphere works is actually not a Dyson sphere that encompasses a star and would be really dangerous and might explode the star, or in this case, the sun. It's a Dyson swarm. Now, the way a Dyson swarm works is by constructing millions and millions of mirrors and all having them shine sunlight into collection stations like heat collectors and also those solar panels to create enough energy in order to launch these rockets into space. So once you do that by just getting the material on Mercury and just keep repeating the process. Also, this is very oversimplified. If you just keep repeating the process over and over again, eventually you have a whole star, or in this case the sun, encompassed in the Dyson swarm. Now you have enough energy to actually start launching things. Okay, so now you need to actually launch. You actually need to design a space probe that can make an exact copy of itself, which we are advanced enough to do. We can just code an AI to make itself again. I've seen it happen before. So we just make that into a robot and just copy it a lot. Yeah. And then just send it out to other galaxies across the universe. Of course, it's going to take a long time because we still need all the fuel. But we're not using conventional rockets. We're sending this with space probes as they are. They're going to be oval shapes, and we're just going to launch them into the universe using magnet guns. Now, the way a magnet gun works is by using a coil, which is turning on parts of the coil with magnets. It's at the right time will eventually launch giant metal objects very fast. That's not how an actual gun works, but that's how a magnet gun works, or a coil gun. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, that's how we're going to launch our probes into space. And I'm not sure how fast they'll go, but it'll still take a long time because the nearest galaxy is the Andromeda Galaxy, I'm pretty sure. And that's still really far away from us. It's like a million, maybe a billion light years. I don't know. So yeah, it's going to take a whole lot of time. A very long time to do. But once we actually... Once a probe enters a galaxy once a probe actually enters a habitable star system in a different galaxy, because in this case we're colonizing every single galaxy before we colonize our own. They'll land they'll scan around a system looking for a habitable planet, or at least a planet that looks like it could be habitable. They'll land on it and start duplicating itself, so that way it has a lot more actual robots to start doing work on the planet. And also, sorry if you can't hear anything, because I realized just now that my microphone was covered by my blankets. So yeah, if you can't hear me, sorry. But so we're gonna have to have the robots clone themselves on the planet, so that way there's a lot more robots on there to actually start building civilization. So once they get on there, they'll have a set of instructions and to actually like start getting more energy and preparing it for a human life. And eventually, once they're done there, a few of those probes will leave to find another star system and start duplicating there to take over that star system. And then the process just duplicates itself, getting a lot easier the more galaxies you colonize. But once that phase is done and you colonize all the available galaxies you can reach, you're gonna have to actually colonize our galaxy, which we're basically just gonna use the same exact process. It's not that hard. And yeah, then you have the entire universe in the palm of your hand. Alright. I want to see someone do it, please, in real life. So yeah, good luck trying to do it. Alright, bye.